Getting ready to get going here. Opening morning. Paige's first hunt of any kind. What are we going after, Paige?
Cow elk.
Yeah, going after cow elk, Colorado. So right now is technically legal shooting light, but it's a little darker than it normally would be because of the cloud cover. So sunrise is at 7 o'clock and legal shooting light is 30 minutes before. So technically we're legal to shoot something now, but probably be kind of hard to identify it. You know, it's still a little dark. So,
Right.
but it's okay. We'll just start making our way slowly down this ridge line. And we won't go very far before we stop and just wait for it to get a little lighter.
Okay.
Do you notice what the wind's doing?
Bothering me.
Well, sure. But it's pulling down slope.
Oh, yeah.
So that's going to be your typical morning and evening. It's diurnal winds. So winds go down slope in the early morning and down slope in the evening. And they start going up once things heat.
Okay.
So typically
It's not long before Casey spots a single cow down in the canyon.
it's moving from the right to the left. One cow. So what we need to do is I'm going to get over here and watch her for a little bit because if she's moving real quick, we'll never catch her.
Right.
But if she just kind of takes her time, we can go up, loop around, and then come down.
Okay.
Or go down this way and try and get to where we can get across canyon at her, okay? Yards out. We're on that slope that has
all green.
Little patches of snow. So you see the green with the pinyon trees? Yeah. Go a little farther down. Go left of that. With the patchy snow. There's only one way to get to them, but it's not going to be fun. A ways. You know, so you see where the patchy snow is? And there's
up.
Yeah. There's like patchy snow and brush.
Oh, I see him.
You see him?
Yeah. Just a couple of them.
What?
Just a couple.
Yeah, 3. It's okay, we only need 1. Sometimes it's harder to get close to big herds because you got more eyes.
One gets spooked, the other gets spooked.
The elk proved to be too far away for Paige and Casey to pursue.
Because they can just bed down anywhere in that nasty stuff. You won't ever.
Visible.
Yeah, they'll be invisible and we'll be making noise and moving. But it's good.
All right.
We'll see plenty more that we don't get. But we'll get.
That evening, Paige and Casey decide to check out some nearby canyons to determine if there is better elk activity in the area. Looking down the canyon, Paige and Casey were able to pick out a few bulls from the landscape.
2. I wasn't sure if it's 2 or 3.
2.
2 and then the one across.
Yep.
Oh my god, pat me on the back. Come on, do it. Good job, Paige. You found them with your binocs.
I knew you would. 10 yards behind me, because we might not. That's our chance, okay?
Okay.
So I need you on me. Like I said, it's just the wind's gonna blow away. If they're on our side, they're probably gonna spook. If we're lucky, they'll cross. We just gotta be ready to like take a shot.
Okay.
Over the next few days, Paige and Casey were able to find multiple bulls, but no cows in this particular area.
So as soon as he got up to the top, gone. Like vanished. And he's like bigger than a cow, and he's got antlers sticking like 2-3 feet above his head. And he just vanished. So I mean, the odds that there's like a herd of cows somewhere on that, I would say is 100%. Yeah, you can't hunt them, you can't see them.
Right.
There's one place where, we can kind of hunt the tops, but it's just tough. And then you see their signs, so you know that they come through.
All over, yeah.
That's why it's nice to catch them in the canyons. But that's why I almost think it's easier to hunt bulls here, because they're always in the canyon. So it's like, and that's where you can see them.
One year.
Yeah, but I've seen cows in the canyons too, so.
During the evening, they decide to head back to the area they hunted the first morning, as there was more hope to locate cows, with one more day left on Paige's hunt. This time, they find what they're looking for, a herd full of cows and just a few bulls. It's too late and too far to pursue, but gives them the knowledge they need to plan the morning hunt. Paige and Casey were quickly able to spot the herd, but getting to them without being seen would be an issue.
Try and come down. Just intercept them. Okay. First, okay? Okay. We're not gonna just try and plow off the guy. Okay. Gotta be real careful in here. Just no mistakes, no noise. Like everybody, just no mistakes. No noise unnecessarily. If we need to be sneaky and quiet, I mean really sneaky. Way too thick for a shot. It's all the way through that brush. Don't move. Just trust me. Okay. We got the wind in our favor. We're gonna start low. Looking, and work our way to where the hook were. Okay. I don't think that cow and calf saw us. They kind of just slowly walked away. That was another reason to just get away from them. If we would have chased them, it would have been over. Right. A very quick and close shot when we look over. Okay. And just set down the stick if we can.
Okay.
If you feel comfortable that you can get up and they're like 50 yards away, just boom, get up, get on one and shoot.
Okay.
Do that. Just take your time, okay?
Okay.
So they're at 400. So get her, but you wanna?
Yeah.
How do you feel?
Oh, like she's moving too fast.
Oh yeah, I'll stop her when the time comes, but I need you to pretend like you're gonna shoot one, okay? By pretend, I mean get your reticle on it.
Okay.
And just get real steady and tell me when you feel good for the shot. This is a long fucking shot.
Okay.
We could also do slip run. Okay? There's other options, so if you don't feel steady, it's okay. You see the third one? She's yellower.
Yeah, she's like, oh.
That's the one you want to shoot, okay? Let me know when you feel good and I'll stop them.
When you're stopping them, I don't shoot though, do I?
Yeah.
This is real life,
When
okay?
they stop, you shoot. Okay, now wait.
Let you know.
Do you got her?
No, I'm not ready. Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Do you feel good?
She's behind some stuff. Yeah, I feel good.
Okay, I'm gonna stop her. Get ready to shoot. Shoot one. She went down. Reload. Reload. Paige, she's down. She's just laying there. You see her?
No.
You see her? Just find her. Just take your
Oh,
time.
yeah, I do see her.
She's still moving her head. Okay, I need you to put another round into her. Take your time. We got all the time in the world. Just take your time and put another round in her.
Okay.
Try for the head or center of mass. You hit her. You hear that thump? You hit her.
That's kind of sad.
Reload.
She stopped moving.
She's not moving right now,
Oh, yeah,
but
she is.
is she moving?
Yeah.
It's okay, just wait a second, okay? Sometimes they take a minute to fire, even if you hit them good. You hit her good, she just dropped in her tracks. Okay.
After watching to make sure the cow will stay down, they decide to move closer, in case Paige needs to make another follow-up shot.
Thought she wasn't for a long time.
Uh-huh.
She was, so she's not moving a lot, just here and there. So we have too much brush in front of us, so we're gonna have to get close, okay?
Okay. That's okay.
Okay.
Oh, so it's bittersweet. Okay.
Look at that.
Post-mortem care. Or
Field dressing.
field dressing. Nurse talk.
Beautiful cow.
I'm sorry, honey.
It's okay. It's gonna feed your family for an entire year, maybe more.
Right.
Think of, you know, all the cows, chickens, and pigs that somebody else would have to kill in place of you, you know,
Right.
working this hard to do it yourself. Think about how hard we worked. What is this day for? We went hard every single day. I mean, like, if that's not earned, I don't know what
Right.
is, you know?
Agreed.
So, she's gonna do great, feeding everyone.
All right, Mama.
It's amazing, it all worked out. You made a great first shot. She went down, so we didn't have to worry about losing her in the herd or anything. She went down right away, we knew which one it was. We stayed on her, and she's good.
Why'd you pick this one opposed to like the other?
Bigger cow. The other two were
Dark.
like they were not this year's calves, but they were yearlings. So they
They
were
were
like a
darker.
year and a half old. Not because they were darker necessarily, but they were smaller face too. You can see in their face is the best indicator.
Your eyes are
She's
better
just
than mine.
bigger, so
All right.
yeah, you know, because let's say this is. Oh, this is an older cow. See your bugler teeth?
Those eye things they talk about?
So we'll get to take those. Don't let me forget to take
Okay.
those for you. And they're, you know, she's probably about a 6-year-old cow-ish. So she's a little
Wow,
bit
she's
past, midlife. But the younger ones, you know, they've got a whole life ahead of them
Right.
to like get bigger, you know, get stronger and become like the next cows. Breeding age elk,
Right.
you know? Like put your shoulder into it, see what I'm doing? Like you gotta like use your body as a lever. Okay. Oh, you hit her in the neck. And part of the upper shoulder.
That blasted some meat then?
A little bit. It's still a decent shot though.
Okay.
That's why she went down, because you hit her right there. Okay, so now we don't cut that off.
Straight back?
All the way back. So just follow, you know, there's a little transition here. And then just cut that away and then follow the mesh it enough and then cut the gut, so.
Is that my femoral alternate?
Point it on the front of there. Up there. Yeah, thanks for doing that.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize. Thanks for letting me.
Along the bone, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Almost there.
Okay. And done. Okay.
Feel bad.
That's okay. Watch it.
Just do them, but don't tighten them yet.
not terrible. Haven't started walking yet, though.
Get those shoulder straps engaged so you can stand up straight. Okay. Okay, let's stand up straight and then we'll get it adjusted right.
It's fucking heavy.
Pull those forward until it's comfortable.
Yeah. Oh, that's nice. Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Center of gravity. I look forward to it.
For Casey, it's one of several packouts this year. For Paige, it's the first of hopefully many to come in her hunting journey.